Yazeli sauti Yazeli sauti Yazeli sauti Yazeli sauti Dikidagutabidato Ateri sauti. Yes. I'm seeing people turning up here already. Hope everyone is ready, of course. You know what's gonna go down. Yeah. Uncle Danny's around. Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for joining in. I'm seeing Emmanuel, I'm seeing Ogeri, I'm seeing Uzo. What's good, my kids? What's good, my people? What's good? I'm seeing Wiki, Sunrise, Emmanuel. Anyway, I was in stocks doing something in my stocks here. I was in the upper OTC. So far, I pulled out 700. But let me continue with the upper OTC. I want us to look out how are the stocks doing, how the stocks react on different prices, how the stocks react in different ways, you know. So I want us to look at how do stocks react, you know. We know commodities, we know currencies, we know indices. Now I want us to look at stocks. Today I'm in upper OTC, and we're going to test out the upper OTC in 50 seconds time frame, Bollinger Bands, and oscillator. I'm going to do some personal trades here. Yes, personal trades, you know that drill. And I hope everyone is ready. I hope everyone is good. How are you doing, guys? How was your day? How was your day? Hope you're all doing good, you know. Oh, I came in late. Okay, it's coming back. It's moving upwards. Come on, do it. Oh, nice. Actually, okay, that was nice. I wasn't expecting that. That came in as a surprise. I wasn't expecting that, you know. Oh, the upper OTC is moving very good here. Okay, hold on. I'm seeing a price is being shorted here. Take the double shot right here. Good confirmation right here in the bands. If you're up, you're seeing this. Good confirmation right there in the band. Let me take one more. Be on the safe side. Recovery mode. Let's go. Let's grind this today. Let's see how the market goes in today. You know, let's test out these pairs. Let's test out the stocks and see how they're doing. Never know, they might become our favorite pairs. You know? And it's still dropping downwards, guys. Look at this. It had a small manipulation right there. There was a small manipulation in the price, but guess what? We're still dropping it downwards, you know. With a very good confirmation inside the bands, it goes in down. B1, my G, Ghana, Nathaniel. Hey, Cameroon, what's good? Cameroon, thanks for joining in. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good, Cameroon. What's up? What's up? What's up? Billionaire boys, where you at? Billionaires Club, you know, the Billionaires Club. That's what I've been calling it, the BC. The BC. Let me take one more here. Just to be on the safe side, let me take one more. Let it drop downwards, of course. Beautiful. Continue. Yes, that's like that. Beautiful. One. Okay. Seeing sellers coming back. Hold on. Let's try to confirm this and see where the charts are going in. Are you seeing this? This is the first confirmation here. And here comes the second one. Same direction, slightly above the second price. Right there. Let me take one more. Beautiful. Let me take one more again because it's moving very good and it has no signals of coming back downwards. Who says my problem now is risk management? It is crazy to learn, and oh my days, brother, risk management, bro. You should learn to take minimal trades, mainly in a smaller account. You know, risking more than 5% is more riskier than someone who has gone for 2 or 1%. So put that in practice, like, you know, put that in practice. Good night. Okay, let's see. Let's confirm this. Hold on. Buyers are coming back. Let me see. Okay, buyers are coming back. There was a manipulation, just more slight manipulation. Whoa, another one comes in, but I bet it's a manipulation too. Let me go the opposite direction right here. I will take one simple trade just to test and see. Is it okay? Right? True. Opposite. Come on. Climb it, baby. Climb it. Yes. Beautiful. Give my price 300. Ibiza. Ibiza style. Right here, you have the first signal coming in, touching the upper bands. The second comes inside the bands, and the third is moving in the same direction. Okay, it's a beautiful confirmation right here. Though I'm seeing a price wants to change on us. Come on, one. Okay, it's out. Beautiful. That's nice. Though if we came in a little bit late, that will be out, you know. So here timing is needed, guys. Whenever you get a beautiful confirmation and you see a nice confirmation, don't wait for another confirmation. Just go in. It's a beautiful confirmation right here. And whenever you are beaten by time, you're out, you know. Because it's all about timing. Timing is in binary. This is all about timing, you know. Timing is key, guys. Timing is key. Our name is called TB. I'm good evening, there, brother Daniel. So greetings from South Africa. Hey, greetings. How are you? Thanks for joining in. Hope you're doing good. Alexis, how are you, brother? How's your day? Come on, don't pull this back. There happens to be a pullback right here. Come on. Okay, let me take two right here because the sales are confirmed here. We take a hit at the first trades, no problem. Let's go again. Mm. And the way you look at my bottom indicator is also moving downward. So let's continue shutting this down. Take 3 more trades here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look at that. The way it's dropping downwards. You know, it's going beyond the levels of 20. Just crashing down. Beautiful. Hey Hassan, thanks for joining. How are you doing? Thanks for joining in. The beats. The beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat. Okay, so dropping down as though we are having here smaller reductions in the buys, the sales. Buyers are trying to come back. Beautiful rejection right down there. Beautiful rejection right there. Let me go right in here. Double. You get a rejection, so I go in. Double calls. I'm good. I'm good. Are you following the FIFA World Cup? No, no, no. I'm not following the FIFA World Cup. I ain't following the FIFA World Cup, brother. I'm only following the markets. That's my World Cup. The markets are my World Cup, bro. Ooh. Woo, price jump there. I remember talking about the price jump there. That price jump, guys, for me, it's okay for me to enter that trade, but whenever you find out that you've seen a price jump, please do not enter that trade. Why? Price might try to what we call coming back in and cover that jump. Okay, now are you seeing what is happening right there? The good thing I went in that trade earlier, you know, I went in that trade earlier, but if I went in late, if you look at the way the price moved back downward, it tried to cover the gap that it jumped right there. So that's why sometimes I don't advise guys to go inside a price jump, a trend after a price jump. Like it's not advised, like it's not totally advised because you might do a wrong skip and the market does a flip, you know, trying to cover that. What about the NBA finals? Well, I've been following the Knicks. The Knicks are on fire, you know. The Knicks are on fire. Anyway, let's see how they're gonna do about. They're gonna play that game with Spurs. Let's see how they're gonna act that up. Though I'm rooting for Knicks, you know. Hey, Officer Cameroon, Emmanuel is around. Hi, brother Cameroon, how are you? Oh, sorry, Emmanuel. I got married to the market today. 85% of my trades were successful. Hands of applause for Emmanuel. Hands of applause for Emmanuel. He did the Daniel Spot training strategy and he twisted it and he went for it, you know. That's what we call trust. That's what I want for everyone to do in here, you know. For me to come here and teach you guys daily. My job is here to come and teach you daily. But as a teacher, I would feel very good and happy if you're there out there and you're trying to give this out by yourself, you know. I'll feel so happy, you know. Hey, what's the name? Thanks for joining. How are you rooting for the Knicks when you live in Texas, bro? It's group influence, group influence, bro. It's group influence. Spear group influence. All my guys are from. They all love the Knicks, so I just follow them up. I have nothing to do, you know. I can't be the old man out. I can't be the old man out. But if the Spurs come out nice, of course I'd feel good for Texas. Because if the Spurs come out very good and come out nice, I'll feel happy for the, you know, I would feel happy for the Texas team. San Antonio. San Antonio! I was feeling like Marlin today, but the market humbled me a little. Of course. You can't expect to get out 10 out of 10, you know? When it's just a big day, you just began to work, bro. You can't expect to get a 10 out of 10. I come on say Spurs is just. I know Spurs is my state, you know? Spurs is Texas. But all my G's, all my guys are in Knicks. So if I'm with them, I be the old man out, you know? I'm the old man out. And I feel happy when they're happy. Of course, when I'm also happy, I be happy. But again, sometimes I also go for the Spurs. There's a game. Which game was it? Let me try to remember. Which game was it? It was Spurs and what was Spurs and it was Spurs and Timberwolves. Spurs and Timberwolves. I hope you watched that game. Spurs came out with 1-3-3. You wanna party? This is a good party. Do you play any sports? Well, I've tried golf, bowling. What else? Racing. I race. Anyway, but the main sport that I play is, of course, the market. You know, the market binary. That's the only sport that I play right here. The only sport that I feel like it's my worth. You know, if it's Uther Pendragon, I'm the Uther of the binary. You know, so that's the only game I feel like it's comfortable for my blood. You know, my soul, my blood. The only sports Danny plays is binary. True, Emmanuel. Tell them. This in binary, you sweat, you shiver, you shake. Oh my days. You're having different emotions in binary. You're having different kinds of emotions in here, you know? You're shouting, you're calm, you're crazy, you become mad, you develop personalities. You know, if you're a loner and you're a trader who is a loner, I'm telling you, if you invest something like 5 months in trading binary and you're trading, I'm telling you, you're going to develop different personalities. You're going to develop a mad personality, a crazy personality. You're going to develop different kinds of personalities, and you find yourself talking to yourself alone. You know, so this is what we call a sport. So this is my sport right here, binary. And this was a very good downtrend, but I'm expecting to have a reversal anytime soon. Hold on, this might be the one. Hold on, let's see. This might be the one. And if you look at my bottom indicator, it's also giving a change in direction. Let's go. If you look at my bottom, you're gonna see change in direction. Nice example right there. Oh my god, touch the upper band. Let's go again. Double. That's a very good shoot. 5 targets. That's a very good shoot with that bottom indicator. Let's continue shooting it up. Come on. Climb that tree, baby. Climb that tree. He plays the market, he chases the market and steals the milk. I know, but when the market decides to take you out, that's the lucky day. If you won't feel like you're in it. She is truly a sport. True. She is truly a sport. Training is gonna bring out the extrovert in you. Let me take one more right here. There happens to be a gap right there. A pro said split personality is true. True. Wait when it's your turn, Cameroon. You're gonna see, oh my days, we got a reward here, we got a refund. Cameroon, tell me, wait when it's your turn. You're gonna see that you're gonna develop a personality whereby you're talking to yourself and you find that you're going crazy because of the binary, you know. But of course, there are the happy days, there are sad days, and sad days don't last long, you know. Even when we don't make it, we try again and we make it. That's the main goal in here, you know. That's the main goal in here. Even if we don't make it, we try again until we make it. And the more you try again, the more chances of you getting it out, the more they come closer, you know. So, you know the drill, guys. You know the drill. You know the drill. Okay, we're having a stronger cells right here. We do a double shot right here. Let me take one more. Wiki says you're the big boss of the market. Thank you, Wiki. Thank you, Wiki. Emmanuel, I sometimes took myself in childhood. I took myself all the time, but personality doesn't change. No, you haven't reached the level of changing personality. But when you reach the level of changing personality, you will know. You will see. You will see. I'm telling you, you will see. You change personality all of a sudden and be like, wait, I don't remember being here. Then you have to call out the other self. The other self will explain and be like, nah, we came outside to get some fresh air, you know? So it's just a disorder that small disorder that you can handle as long as you're calm. I've always wanted to be a trader since childhood. Then it now is the damn time. Yo, true. Yes. Time is all that is needed in here. The more time you invest, the more knowledge you get. So the more time you invest in binary, the more time you invest in trading, guys, don't forget about that. The more knowledge you get, you know. You're investing time, you're getting knowledge, you know. Just like my boy says, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. So treasure that time whenever you get it, you know. Wiki says, on my side, even my girlfriends are complaining that I'm not giving them because it's we all had that period whereby we neglect our people that are close to us, you know, because we want to invest more time in what we're doing. And guess what? We're doing this because of them, you know. We're doing this because of them, you know. We're doing what we're doing right now. Oh, we had a pullback right there. Let me show it. Let me go with a pullback here. The more time we're trying to neglect them, the more time we're trying to work for them, you know. And this is all for them, because when we are happy, they're gonna be happy. And having a girlfriend or trading is kind of crazy, because you're gonna find yourself investing more in the market than your girlfriend, and then the girlfriend is going to complain, blah 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 blah. Danny doesn't do this. Danny doesn't do this. But of course, I would advise to at least, if you have let's say like the way I do it, I have 2 credit cards. I can give one to the lady if I want. I be like, hey, this, you have a credit card and your maximum is gonna be like this per day. Let's say your max is gonna be like 5K per day or 4K per day. That's your max. If you exceed your max, I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bada, bum, bum, bum. Whoa, nice. That's so nice. That was a nice pull right there. That was a nice pull. What the heck you in, bro? Girlfriend, bro, you're a player. No, no, no. No, no, not that I'm a player, but it's just that I've had shit. I've had shit. I've seen shit. They left me. They left me out on the streets, you know? I was thrown out on the streets. I had nothing to do. I just had to move on, you know? The illusion took her control and hey, who am I to oppose, you know? I was a poor man. I have a quote here that I have a quote that I love so much. I've been a poor man, I've been a rich man, and I always love to stay a rich man. Cause hey, when I was poor, not even poor, broke. You know, poor and broke are two things. You know, poor is something that you can afford. Broke is scraps, brass, copper, you know? That's broke. Like your brass, your steel. They shake your own nuts are shaking, nothing like a coin. It's only nuts that shake. So I've been a poor man, I've been a broke man, I've been a rich man, and I've always stay rich, you know. And there's no girl's gonna love you when you're broke or poor. But even if we're in our journey, they won't know the journey as men. True, we are men, and these ladies won't know what we do because we try to hide this behind. We don't want them to suffer what we're suffering, you know. And we try to give them the happiness that they deserve. We try to give them that, but they won't get that, you know. True, Wiki right, sir. True. Don't you think Apple OTC is a bit choppy? No, 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 brother. Apple OTC is having actually a good run, though there are rejections in here. But if you read carefully your prices in the bands, you're gonna see that you can do this in the Apple OTC. It's very good. Look at the way it's moving. Look at the way it's moving. Now, if you're gonna see here, it's having crazy. I know it's having crazy wicks and rejections in here, but you're gonna see that there's no band touching up. There's no price touching the upper bands, which clearly means the price is still dropping downwards. Okay. Porto is around. Hey, Porto, thanks for joining in. Hope you're doing good. Girls up. Damn, Danny. Now you're paying people salaries. Nah, it's just a small gift, you know, because you know what you're gonna get, you know. Now this is a trick I can give you. This is a trick I can give you. This is a trick. This is a trick that I've used in my past. I've used this trick in my past. You get a girl you want. You get a girl that you want, and you invest in her almost like a total of like 5K, or 2K. After investing, now she has got an illusion in her mind that this guy is rich, this guy has money, you know. So she's gonna be open to you, you know. She's gonna be open for you, you know. And first day when you're investing, don't rush. Don't rush on the first day. Let her, she will call you the next day. She will call you. The next day she calls you, you know what to do. Smash that shit. Smash that shit. Then friend zone, you know. Friend zone that shit. Daniel, what's up? How is it so far? Well, we're in the upper OTC and they're trying to see how it's doing in. So far, we're at 14K. Not so bad. Let's drop it here. Good confirmation right here. That work in. Hey, Poto, what's up? What a tap into my name. What a touch me talking about Emmanuel. Poto is saying Emmanuel love me. Wiki says was the claps necessary, sir? The claps are just to define the movements, to define the action being taken around, the activity going on, you know. As long as you get it. Boom. Now, if you're gonna look at my bottom, you're gonna see that the price is trying to change in direction, but you're having small shots in there, small sells. Now, here is that you can go with your confirmation, of course, in the bands, but again, if you're seeing a small sales coming in, just know anytime soon you're gonna be opposed out. So it's rather you wait out for your entry and get a clean entry. Oh, look, see. I've just talked about that. See. The price is now being traded heavily. You know, that's a heavy shot. See that. I've just talked about that like recently. You're having small shots in your price, like uptrend. So you rather you going into your uptrend like ASAP. You rather wait it out, let it get let it stabilize, let it move on a very good strength. Then you go in straight, like So let's wait and see how it moves. Let's wait and see how it reacts here. A heavyweight today. Manuel is heavy. The weight, the officer is of the trees. The officer of the trees. Emmanuel Apoto and Cameroon. They're the patrol officers of the trees, burning trees, burning bushes. We have Jamaica trooper and the Tennessee trooper. Come on. We take a hit right there. Okay, now I believe Apple TC is becoming messy. Let me try to see if you can do some currency pairs. Yes, my beautiful currency, the odd card. Let's go to the currency. Now we are in the currency pairs. Let's go for the odd card, the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, over the counter markets. Why are you, Danny? Danny is doing something suspicious. No, nothing. I'm just here relaxing, just chilling. Wait when I bring some shorties on the live stream. I bring some shorties on the live stream. Finally, you switched from that aspect, bro. It was becoming shitty. It became shitty. Finally, it became shitty, At the last moment, it became shitty. Yet it began out so well. Upper OTC. Fuck the OTC market, man. Binary shit. Mango juice, of course. Mango juice. I love a good mango juice, I love a good mango. A ripe, what we call an apple mango. You guys know what we call apple mangoes? They're those huge yellow ripe mangoes, like fresh. Though I've taken some good time not seeing a good fresh mango on the streets. I need to go some deep dive, I need to go some deep dive the ghetto. I look for some good ripe, fresh off the market, What is the target? The target is gonna be 25K. Target is 25K. Woo! Guys, let me run out of the currency pair because it's also becoming messy. Let's go back to our original pairs, the commodities. The commodities, and you know, my beautiful, of course, the Brent oil. Yes, yes, okay. Now let the action begin. Let me increase this price to 550. Let the action begin. Susan wanted to play that song for her, lol. Why is Susan? I haven't seen Susan, by the way. You guys, like, I haven't seen Susan for almost 3 days, 2 days. Anything good with her? Yes, Emmanuel, too. I'm also asking myself, you know, like it's been like 3 days to 2 days, something like that. I don't know. Look at this beautiful confirmation right here. The price is making a curve here. Nice. The price has touched the downer bands. Nice. Let's go. Let me go in again. Single, of course, right here. Look at the way it's moving right inside the bands, guys. Look at that. This is what we call a beautiful confirmation here. The price touches the downer band, second price comes inside the bands, and the third price is moving the same direction right in here. And if you don't see that any price touches the downer bands, of course you continue with your uptrend, because until you get the price touching the downer bands, oh my god, it has touched. It has touched. Hold on, it has touched. Hold on, don't fuck me up. Don't fuck me up. Don't fuck me up. Come on. Come on. Beautiful. Nice. Wow. It's moving upside. Let's go. Brent oil, of course. Brent is much better choice. True Cameroon. Brent oil has been one of the best players this season. You know, ever since the war began, Brent oil has been the best player right now. This season, Brent oil is on fire. Though there are days that it comes out and becomes messy. I hate those days. I hate those days. Okay, we had a small manipulation right here, but I'm seeing sellers and buyers are still coming in. So let's go again. If you look at that carefully, you're gonna see that we had a small manipulation here in almost 4 candles. Yes, but guess what? Buyers still confirmed that inside our bands that is still moving upwards. So we went for it. So that's what you're supposed to look for whenever you're trading in. You might take your trade. Let's say you're taking your trade like let me say like right here. Are you seeing this? You take your trade like right here, and you enter late. Guess what? You're gonna get this you're gonna get the pullback, the manipulation, and you might be taken out in this manipulation zone. But of course, sometimes that's what I say, timing is needed here. When you get a confirmation, or immediately you get a confirmation like this, right here. This was the first confirmation right here. Are you seeing this? You go in like ASAP, you go in. Because you never know what's going to happen in the future. You don't know what's going to happen in the future. Do you wait on both indicators three confirms, or do you go in as soon as you see the price confirmation? Well, the main thing I do is I go in as long as I see price confirmation. That's what I do. But sometimes when the market becomes tricky, I use both indicators. When the market becomes tricky, I go for the both. But the most of the time, I go for my price confirmation. Price confirmation, I go right in. You know, price confirmation, I just go in. When the market becomes tricky, I look at my both indicators. So the knowledge is all needed. Nice. Let's go again. One more. Ooh, 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 ooh. So the settings of the Bollinger Bands, the default. The Bollinger Bands are default. The period is 5, the deviation is 1. The default. Someone is asking, can you explain price confirmation? Someone please explain to Hassan price confirmation right here. Hassan, look at this. Are you seeing this, Hassan? Look at that. This is what we call price confirmation right here. Are you seeing the way the price is moving inside the bands? First price touched the upper bands, second came inside the bands, third is moving on the same direction, So I don't hesitate. I went in. Though I'm seeing we're having a rejection there. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Hope you've seen that, Hassan. Fresh. Fresh drink. I was feeling weak. It's a monster drink. Yes, breaks of structure price hit both highs or lows in the Bollinger Bands is my understanding. True, yes. Using break of structure and liquidity in the price is valid at some point. Yes, it's true valid. It's so valid. That's very valid, bro. That weird test in Monster. How many of you have taken a Monster in your drink? That weird test, eh? How can one avoid trading almost everything you see in the chart and trading carefully without it of being overwhelmed? And one can do that when you find inner peace. I want you to find inner peace. Right? I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying right now. But I want you to find what we call inner peace. Like, I want to rest yourself and develop patience. You know, this beats patience beats us all in this, you know. And when you take a trade, when you take a trade, you'll be taken out, and then all of a sudden the direction is moving on a very good direction. So if you and then you blame yourself, be like, wish I waited, wish I waited, wish I waited, wish I waited, you know. So patience beats that's all, you know. All the overwhelming, all the looking at the charts, all the confirmations, patience beats all. With the right patience, with the right discipline, and right risk management, you're having the best combination here. Yes, Wiki, that's right. I think patience is the biggest discipline in trading. True. Patience, discipline, and risk management, then you're good to go. Like, for real, like, actually, for real, like, you know, like, it's ball, you know. So, in here, patience beats all. Like, and not only binary, same patience applies to Forex. In Forex, let's say example, you've taken a trade, it's a sell, you're having lot size of let's say 0.2 or 0.5, you're climbing, then price comes back below your buying your entry point. Price comes back below your entry point, and then you see that you're losing it all. And instead of you being patient to wait out, because that was a retest in the market, you know. So instead of you being patient to wait the retest to go back where it's supposed to be going, you go out of the trade, like you close it manually. And that's when it happens. You're gonna see it was just a retest, you know. So patience beats all in this. How did you overcome it on your own journey? Well, I learned through losses. I made quite big number of losses. I made a quite big number of losses, you know. So I made it via losses. That's when I learned patience. Because every loss that I made had had a beginning point. Most of the losses that I took were coming out of the trades earlier, like rushing, you know. Most of the losses that I took were almost in just rushing because I was rushing. So whenever I take a trade, I will be out, you know. So I learned that if I wait out more longer, I'm gonna see a very good entry point and I'll get it. Almost killing in 30k. 28, 2k to go, 2k to go to hit 30k. How did you figure out that you can really trade in 15 seconds? Was it because you saw some people trading on 15 seconds or you just chose it? I just chose it because actually before choosing it, I did testing. I did tests. Now this is what you know. This is what you should know about binary. Let me show you. Let me take this entry here. This is one. This is one entry. I see the payout. The payout is 8%. This is one entry. 15 seconds. Look at where it's going. It's one entry, same payout, 88%, right? And it's a hit. We take a hit right there. Now let me increase my time frame to 30 seconds. Let's take another trade here. The coffee a downtrend here. Let's take a shot right here. 30 seconds now. I hope you're seeing this. 30 seconds, same payout. Are you seeing the way it's moving? 30 seconds, same payout. Remember, 15 seconds also, same payout. I think you're getting this, Uzu. I think you're getting this. Check. See. Comes out nice. Good, that's nice. Same payout, but now use the logic here. Use your logic here. If I use 15 seconds, how many trades I would have taken this 30 seconds time frame? Like, now use logic here. Use logic. If I use 15 seconds in this trade, how many attempts would have taken out for me to win out a very good jackpot here? Because now you'll be waiting for 30 seconds. Now let me show you another example again. 1 minute time frame. Now 1 minute. Let's go for 1 minute. Let me get my very good confirmation here. I'll go for 1 minute. Now for 1 minute, your confirmation has to be a long confirmation because this is a very long trend. You don't know where it's gonna go. And remember, when the binary is all about ups and downs. You know, the binary is all about ups and downs. You never know if it's gonna change anytime soon. But if I'm looking at this, I'm gonna see that buyers are trying to come back. And if I look at my previous structure, so let me take my call right here. I'm gonna take my call right here because I'm seeing buyers in here. And if I look at my previous structure, I'm gonna see that we have reached the rock bottom here. So let's wait and see the 1 minute at the 1 minute. Let's wait and see how the 1 minute goes. But I hope you're seeing that the payout is all the same from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. The payout is all the same. Let's wait and see. Check. Can you see that rejection below? Are you seeing the rejection here? Buyers are coming back. I knew. I knew that. I knew that. And that's what we call a 1 minute. Beautiful. I hope you have seen that. And that's how you check your trades, you know. So the goal here is not about the time. The goal here is about the payout and how fast you can get your payout. And if you do your research, you're gonna see that in a 15 seconds time frame, you're getting what we call faster execution. You know, faster execution, faster results, and your confirmation is not that long. Like what I had here. Here, I had to confirm my uptrend earlier because I saw buys in here, and when I see buys in here, I look at my previous. I'm gonna see that we haven't we take it long without hitting with the bottom, and I knew a reverse was gonna happen anytime soon. So with average coming up and coming soon, you just take your, if it's a 1 minute time frame, you're gonna say every candle here is having 15 seconds. So if I take my uptrend here, in about 60 seconds, it will be up anytime soon. So you have to wait it out. But 60 seconds, how many seconds have you lost? How many trades have you lost in 16 seconds? 60 seconds, sorry. Because you've been wanting to play a 1 minute time frame. So that's why I chose the 50 time frame, because it's faster execution, and it's a shorter confirmation. Even if I get a pullback, even if I get a reversal, I'm still out. You know, I'm still out. I'm still on a good side. So roughly, what I'm trying to say is, a 50-second time frame has almost 85% chance of winner than the rest of the payouts. Hope you've got what I'm saying here. Cheers to you. More trading opportunities on 15 seconds. I used to trade 5 seconds. What have you said? 5 seconds? Let me show you what this guy is talking about. This guy is talking about 5 seconds. 5 seconds now is a robot thing. If you trade him 5 seconds now, you'll be a robot. Why 5 seconds? 5 seconds is more risky here. Let me show you why. Why is it more risky? Because each candle here is having 5 seconds. Remember, you know. Now you get the binary, insert the logic. Get logic, put in binary. Each candle here has for 5 seconds. So let's say I've taken double here, 5 seconds. Let's go. Nice, comes out nice. Nice. But if I came in late, of course that rejection would have taken me out. Let's go again. Five seconds is good, but it's more risky because hey, a week can take you out. Just a slight week can take you out in seconds, 5 seconds. You know, but it's also good, but not so good. I don't advise that. Its winning rate is almost 60%, 65, and something like that is too low for us. You know, we want something that is above 80%, above 85%. When I say Cameron is a risk himself, to look like I'm lying. What the heck do you mean 5 seconds, man? Cameron is crazy. I think it goes in when it's already high. So I just put you on, bro. True. It was a very good uptrend, and 5 seconds was okay there because it was a very good uptrend. But now when you come into a rejection, like look at these wicks here. Are you seeing these wicks in here? You're gonna get your 5 seconds, and then your wick is gonna take you out. A week will take you out, like the shadow will take you out. Just like that. Okay, guys, enough for the lessons. Let's go for the contest. Now for the lessons. Let's go for the contest. We have beat 30K, though we have taken some good time here. Wishing the best of luck to everyone here. Our first contestant, of course, is Bob. Hey, Bob. Nice to see you again. Bob is back. First attempt right here for Bob. Let's go first attempt for Bob. Second attempt, we're in for Bob. Let's go. Come on. Right is a rejection right there. Oh my days. Bob's the builder, I'm really sure about that. You began with bad luck right there. The price is still moving downwards. I was ready to manipulate this, but I won't allow this, you know. Let's try again here for, let's go for Dyson. Hey. That was crazy. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go again. Hi, man. Thanks for joining. Zavida, thanks for joining. Hassan, good night, Daniel. And good luck with the contest. Thank you, Hassan. Thanks for being around. Hassan got a white dude. He acting like he's going to bed. We all know where he's headed to. He's going for what do we call it? What do you guys call it? He's going for what? What do you guys call it? Give me a special name. Give me a special name, Emmanuel. Give me a special name. What kind of food is he going to? He's going to eat food before eating food. Last attempt for Hussein. I'll go with you. I'm going with you. Go for it to cause like that. Come on. Kongs. Good spirit. Good spirit. His wallet. Wow, see. TRC20. Thank you. Let's meet again next time. Wombo. That's started for 1 or 2 attempts. Double tap. Kongs. Yuck. Let's see again. Someone is calling my music spooky. Drum music, drums. Yes, brother. That's how we do it. Thank you. Kongs. Thank you, Jack. Let's meet again next time. For Wiki, one attempt. Someone is calling my music spooky. My music is not spooky. The drums. I love drums. Drums bring out what we call the magical soul. You know? Drums bring out the magical soul. So, without drums, you don't get a beautiful concept. Guys are coming back. Guys are coming back slowly. Come on, give me a signal here. Come on, brother. Nope, we're still selling. Okay, let's shut it. Let's shut it right here. Come on, after give me a good scene of shorting, I give you. Come on, don't do it. It's okay, let's try again. Last time it's already on me. Let's try again. Let me come before that time. Talk to me, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Talk to me. Look at this. You're gonna see that bands are being touched here, but we're not getting a very good confirmation in here. So this is fucking risky right here. But again, I'm having a beautiful rejection at the bottom, which shows buys are coming in strongly. Let's go for the buys. The good confirmation. Again, another rejection. Come on. We go to crude. I want to do it with Brent. We go to crude. Go to crude. Go ahead. Try about that with it. Next time better. Those are two. Fuck. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my days. This was a nice one. Oh my days. After changing a pair, now the market is doing good. Fuck you. Look at that. This manipulation that came inside. Oh my days. Wow. Wow. Nice. I love that. Nice. Great movie, very good. Let's go for the uptrend here. After having almost two confirmations in here, one of the crazy weeks. Come on, not a rejection up there. Come on, don't reject this. Don't. What's happening? What's happening? Why am I getting a lot of rejections in here? Why? It's okay. Let's try again. Jacob, let's try again. Sorry, I pulled. See, if I went in right there, it will be out. Look at that. Look at how it's reacting. Nice, let's go. Come on, not a pullback again. Fuck. What's this? Let's go to gold. The all zones are refused in. The all sectors have all refused. Let's go to gold OTC. The trading volatile market. I ran out, brother. Now I'm in gold. I had to run out. Let's first wait and see how gold goes. Let's see how gold goes through it. Right now, every pair is having crazy injections and pullbacks in here. Look at the way gold is also reacting.
We build all those bridges to watch them thin down the dust. Oh, glue them voluntarily up goes to trust. But God is thinking it's like a southern fire, and it won't be a party with weather and rough. We are all plunging straight toward our own tomorrow. Without no slip, we slide down.
That's a good thing, you know. That's a good thing right there. Shows that Ebola is anytime soon.
We are headed straight into
Getting the boss signals coming in. Just right there. Let's go for this. Let's show at the top. Price rejected and it's coming back downwards. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. A relief. Let's go again. What a relief. What a relief. Come on. Baby. Come on, go baby. Yes, baby. Come on. Let's go. Two more. Let's go. Now this other two, let's first wait and see if it's gonna touch the bottoms. Okay, that was the manipulation. Still dropping downwards. Let's go. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Nice. One more. Let's go. One more. Wow. Okay. This is probably this type of this one. Let's go. One more. It's dropping. Come on, drop it. Drop. Drop 1 more second. Come in. Come out. What a relief, guys. What a relief. Oh, we are back, bitches. We are back. Nice. That was nice. That was nice, actually. That was nice. That was nice. Bad days are there, but we have to wait for the good days. Yes. Damn. I was almost becoming sad, you know. I was becoming sad. But that has brought back my spirit right there. That has boosted my spirit right up. guys, the market is messy. I think if I see this, the market is becoming going to become messy. The market is becoming messy. Two more. Now every trade has to go with prayers, you know. Every trade has to go with prayers because the way the market is moving, right? Oh my, come on. What the actual fuck is happening, guys? And you can't believe that this is the same market that we have been trading in earlier and it was very good. Now it reaches our time, we go in. Days. I fucking hate these fucking days, you know? One more. Oh my god, wow. Wow. No, bro, I'm done with these oils. Bro, not only oils. You should have seen what's happening behind there, bro. Not only oils. I know what's happening right now. Like things are being fucked up all of a sudden, you know? Things are being fucked up all of a sudden. Actually, I'm gonna stop on this guy because I'm not getting what's happening today. Today it's way too much, you know? It's way too much. When I stop on Marino, let me see, I'm having Grina, Rolin, Brazil, Salven, and Watson. Please, let's do it tomorrow. Because whatever is happening today, it's crazy. It's crazy risky today. Too fucking risky right now. I'll start doing contests before my because I feel like the marketing text that I've got so much and they want to do what people revenge on me, you know? I feel like I should be giving contests next time. I should be like a contest, you know? Nice. Come on, don't hit it. Come on. Let's go. Oh, still moving upwards. Let me take one more here. Moving upwards. Check that. Come on. Line. One more. Let me stop on this. Let me stop on this guy, guys. Let me stop there. Allow me to stop on this guy because today it's becoming too crazy. Market is it's trying to bring in the weekend on me, wants to go crazy on me. Those who haven't seen their names, don't worry. I'm gonna put in tomorrow's list. Today has been really, really crazy. It's rather I postpone you tomorrow's list because today I feel like it's crazy risky, And it comes for that. Today was really rough. Can you imagine we had four losses and only 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7 wins. Like what the fuck is that? It's not giving. Like it's not giving energy. It's not giving energy. I feel like my body is eating right now. My body is actually eating right now. It's not giving anything. I feel irritated. Anyway, let's be the bulls. Let's take the sack. Let's take the hits. And not fall down. And for those who have made it out, thank you. Kongs. And for those who have not made it out, I'm not sure about today. It has been really crazy for that time. And actually, if you see that, it's still reacting in crazy. Look at the way it's reacting, It's still crazy reacting. Check crude. See the way crude is reacting. Every pair right now is becoming crazy. Like, I don't know. Let's go and check gold and see. Look at gold. I give up about today. I give up. Try again tomorrow. Let's try again tomorrow, guys. Let's try again tomorrow. Thanks, guys, for being around. Let me say good night. Let me say good evening. Let me say bye-bye to everyone. Let's start afresh. Let's go and get some rest and start afresh, okay? The market is on energy drinks. The market took some more start drinks today. Anyway, thanks for you being around here. Let's meet again tomorrow, okay?